Almost new without the new price tag, with everything included to move right in here at 205 Audra Drive. And today we're going to take you on a quick tour of a small town charm, big time living right here in Aurora, South Dakota. Let's roll. Aurora is the kind of town where life just hits different. You've got wide open skies, friendly neighbors, and baseball all summer long. Take everyone, yes, even your fur babies, down to the park. Grab a cold one and some wings at Lemke's Bar and Grill, or swing into the C-store for snacks and fuel before hitting the road. It's simple living with everything you need, just a hop, skip, and a cartwheel away. And just look at this place from above. Peaceful, welcoming, and only a few minutes from Brookings. It's the best of both worlds. Now let's cruise on over to 205 Audra Drive, a home that fits this awesome town like a glove. It sits on a huge 165 by 68 lot with a fenced backyard, a shed for your toys, and a 3-stall heated garage to keep your ride warm during those chilly South Dakota winters. Inside, the main level's got that nice open layout, perfect for entertaining, hanging out, or just stretching out after a long day. You've got 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, clean, fresh, and move-in ready. But wait till you see the lower level. Newly finished with 2 more bedrooms, another bathroom, and a family room that'll make your friends jealous. And seriously, you must check out this ceiling. It's got a look you won't see every day. Trust me, it's got cool factor built right in. So if you're looking for small town charm and a home that checks all the boxes, 205 Audra Drive in Aurora might be just that next address for you. Give one of the Brookings Home Team agents a call to get your personal showing set up now. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.